What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about is Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and if Elon Musk is going to choose Shiba Inu over Doge or whatever that situation is going to look like. So we're going to have a good discussion today. So if you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram if you're a SHIB holder. I post here daily. Also, check out my Discord down below. Basically, if you struggle finding crypto coins and you don't know what to invest in, I'm the guy. I do it all for you. I find all the best coins. We do 10, 30, 40. We had a 300x the other week. And I also have my personal coin, my coin, dropping next week. That's only going to be exclusive to my Discord chat. So if you want to get in and you want to get in early, like imagine getting in at SHIB at the bottom where it is right now, like literally getting at the bottom and it skyrockets. Like you can't lose money that way. So definitely join up. It's discounted right now and I'm really excited to see what happens. And we have like 1,000 members in there. So thank you for the support. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So Shiba Inu is obviously one of the biggest coins right now. It has the most hype. It's been green even when stuff is red. Pretty much in like the past week, it's just been going crazy. It hasn't been doing too much, but it has been green, which I'm very thankful for. I've been making a lot of my friends money, you guys money, and we have some big news to talk about. We've been talking about Elon Musk and him getting into Shiba Inu these past few days. And, you know, that's kind of interesting to think about. You know, one of the biggest billionaires in the world in Shiba Inu. You know, we've been discussing the tweets he's been doing. We've been discussing the wallets, this, that, and the third. If you guys need more information about that, I'm kind of going to skip that in today's video. I have a video I posted yesterday. It's going to be linked right here. You can find that. And basically, we just talked about Elon Musk actually being in Shiba Inu. Now, if this is true, it brings up a big question that I've been seeing a lot around the community. I'm going to pull up a screenshot right here, and this kind of what sparked my idea to make this video because I've seen a lot of people talking about this. Do you think that Elon Musk could drop Doge for Shiba Inu and end up pursuing that? Because you guys remember that he tweeted something about you know, talking to the Doge devs and seeing if he can make it more, you know, on par with his brand, you know, with the unlimited supply, this, that, and the third. He was trying to see if he could fix that. And maybe just behind the scenes, he didn't, you know, come to that conclusion. You know, I think it's highly unlikely that he would completely drop Doge because think about how big it has gotten with him and Doge in general. Like literally, that's one of the biggest memes of the past year. I mean, the biggest billionaire, one of the richest people in the world. He's been shilling this coin on live television, this, that, and the third. He's been called the Doge father. Like he's literally one of the biggest people behind Doge. And if he just suddenly stopped, it would kill the coin. So I don't think that that's likely, but I do think it's likely that he might move on to something that's a little bit more smart, maybe focus a little bit more of his attention on something that is worth it in the long run. Like Shiba Inu is literally such a good coin, so much utility. They haven't even had the Shiba swap release yet, and the fact that he, like 99%, it's like 99% possible that he bought into Shiba Inu is a great sign for the coin. And it just makes you think. I said in my last video, like the chart is literally at the bottom. Why is he buying in right now? Why is anybody with $200 million buying in right now at the bottom? You know what I mean? If it's him or if it's not him, why is that happening? It's just something to think about because we don't know. You know, we obviously don't know what's happening. But people like that, they have money, they have insights, they have connections, they know what's going to happen in the future. And I just kind of wanted to point out this community discussion and just talk about it. Do you think it's possible that Shiba Inu could just be Elon's new favorite coin and he doesn't talk about Doge anymore and he just goes full SHIB? Or do you think that it's just a complete opposite and he's still going to be Doge and SHIB's just to kind of, you know, fly on the wall or whatever? Personally, I think he could do both. I think that obviously he's a fan of both cryptocurrencies and he's just a fan of crypto in general. You know, insider trading isn't really a big thing with crypto right now. So like he can say anything he wants to manipulate the price and he could do whatever he wants. Literally, he can't do that with Tesla stock. Like if he did that, the SEC would be on him like that. But he literally, like, he could do whatever he wants. So I don't know. I just want to kind of have a discussion in the comments because this was just something going around the community and I felt like putting it in a video would be good. Have a good, healthy discussion in the comment section below. So let me know what you guys think. Is Shiba Inu the new Doge for Elon? As well as let me know what your price predictions for SHIB are. Mine, you guys already know I've been posting them on the channel. And I gotta say, also subscribe if you're like a SHIB holder because I've been posting videos every single day. I started this channel off SHIB and it's crazy how we've gotten this far. So I love you all so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe and follow my Instagram. Like I said, I'm doing a $2,000 SHIB giveaway to one of you guys. And yeah, check out my Discord down below. Basically, like I said in the beginning, if you need a community and you need to to know how to invest in cryptocurrencies, or even if you're just an experienced trader and you want to know the good coins to get into, I have all the sauce. We've been calling out multiple 10, 20, 30 X's every single day, and it's not going to stop anytime soon. And also I have my new coin, so you'll get exclusive access to that in the near future. So join that right now. It's literally going to be discounted only for 3 more days. It's really cheap right now. Like, you can make that back with your first trade. So with all that to say, guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video.